Listen to me carefully. If your heart is racing, if your chest feels tight, if your mind feels like it's slipping out of control, pause. You are not dying. You are not broken. You are safe. This feeling has a name: digital burnout. Your brain was never designed to be online all the time. Every message, every alert, every expectation, slowly, your mind forgot how to rest. When overload reaches a breaking point, your body activates survival mode. Racing heart, short breath, dizziness, a strange feeling of unreality. This is not danger. This is biology. And now, we take control of it. Breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 2. Exhale slowly for 6. Again, longer exhalation tells your brain something powerful. I am safe. Look around you. Notice 5 things you can see, 4 things you can feel, 3 things you can hear. Your brain cannot panic and stay present at the same time. Say this quietly. This is stress, not danger. When you name the fear, it loses its power. Digital burnout happens when your mind is never allowed to finish stress. You are not weak. You are overloaded. Panic is not your enemy. It is your nervous system begging for boundaries. Not silence from the world, but silence for your mind. The moment you understand this, everything begins to change. Each calm response rewires your mind. Your brain can learn safety again. You don't need to escape technology. You need to reclaim control over it. Moments of silence, moments without demands, moments where your mind can breathe. If you feel overwhelmed right now, remember this: you are not broken. You are overloaded, and overload is reversible. If this video helped you, subscribe for more tools to calm your mind and regain control. You are not alone, and you never were.